Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we are going to read another interesting story, The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Let's start it. Picture words: Pied Piper, Mayor, Children, Hamelin, Rats, Mountain, Pipe. Many years ago, there was a beautiful little town called Hamelin. The people of Hamelin were very happy until the day the rats came. Thousands of rats came to Hamelin. There were big rats and little rats, thin rats and fat rats. There were rats in all the houses and rats in all the shops. You can see all these rats in houses. There are rats on my table, said one man. There are rats under my chair, said another man. There are rats in my kitchen, called one woman. There are rats in my bed, shouted another woman. There are rats all over the house, said a little boy. Make these rats leave the town, cried a little girl. The people of Hamelin went to see the mayor. Make these rats leave the town, they shouted. What can I do? Said the mayor. There are rats in my house too. I have tried and tried to make them leave. They won't go. You must make all the rats leave, the people said. If you don't make them go away, we will choose another mayor. Then one day a strange man went to see the mayor. He was wearing red and yellow clothes and he carried a pipe in his hand. I am the Pied Piper, said the strange man, and I can make the rats leave Hamelin. The mayor said, if you can make these rats leave Hamelin, I will give you lots of money. Very well, said the Pied Piper, but don't forget your promise. Then the Pied Piper went into the streets of Hamelin. He began to play a strange tune on his pipe. The rats heard the music and they stopped to listen. Suddenly one rat followed the Pied Piper, then another rat followed him, and another. Soon all the rats ran after the Pied Piper. The Pied Piper walked toward the river. He was still playing the strange tune on his pipe. The rats followed him and they all jumped into the river. That was the end of the rats in Hamelin. The Pied Piper went back to see the mayor. The rats have all gone. He said, can I have my money now, please? No, said the mayor, I have no money to give you. If you don't give me my money, said the Pied Piper, I will play a different tune and you won't be very happy. If you want to play another tune, I won't stop you, said the mayor. So the Pied Piper went out into the street and he began to play a different tune. In all the houses and in all the streets, the children stopped playing. Then one by one they started to follow the Pied Piper. The people of Hamelin told the children to stop, but the children didn't hear them. They followed the Pied Piper through the streets of the town and across the bridge. They followed the Pied Piper out of the town and up a mountain. Suddenly, the mountain opened and the Pied Piper went inside it. The children followed him. Inside the mountain, there was a beautiful land full of trees and flowers and birds. But one little boy had a broken leg and he couldn't walk as fast as the other children. He saw his friends go into the mountain, but he was not fast enough to follow them. The mountain closed again. The little boy went back to the town. My friends are inside the mountain with the Pied Piper, he said to the mayor. They will never come back. The people of Hamelin were very sad. Where have our children gone? They shouted to the mayor, "You must go and find them." So the mayor went to look for the children. He looked for years and years and years. He is still looking for them now. Kids, this is the end of the story. I hope so you like it. Do comment which other stories you want to listen. Till then, Allah Hafiz.